According to the National Cancer Institute, around 9.5 million people worldwide died of cancer in 2018 alone. To picture it better, that's 26,000 people each day and accounts for 1 in every 6 deaths. Studies have shown that this is due to an increase in meat and animal product consumption in the world, and there's one way to get around it: go vegan. Although it may seem hard and scary, going vegan doesn't mean giving up your favorite dish. To make excellent vegan versions of your favorite recipes, all you need is a little inspiration, creativity, and a few tips and tricks up your sleeve. Hey there! Welcome to Vegan's Choice, a channel dedicated to assisting you in your vegan lifestyle journey. You name it, we discuss it. From vegan foods to the right habits, we got your back. In today's episode, we will be sharing the top 10 best substitutes for your meaty favorites to help make your transition to veganism a little easier. But before we go any further, make sure you subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you do not miss any of our uploads. It's been a couple of years since veganism truly took off as a lifestyle trend, yet many individuals are still undecided as to whether they are willing to commit to it. Well, nobody said it was going to be easy, but if you take it one step at a time, you'll be surprised to find out that you're perfectly capable of eating a vegan diet. So now, let's talk about 10 easy substitutes to help make your transition to veganism easier. Number 1. Jackfruit. Incredibly versatile and reasonably priced, jackfruit is a non-processed item that is frequently available in cans, allowing you to stock up on supplies for the pantry. This alternative, which has been popular in Asia for decades, is now becoming increasingly popular across the globe, even replacing pulled pork on several dishes due to the fact that it resembles the shredded feel very closely. It may also be used as a substitute for chicken in a variety of dishes, such as in stir-fry, but it can also be cooked to look and taste like tuna. If you have the time, you may also experiment with some incredibly innovative and tasty recipes like jackfruit tacos, gyros, and even crab cakes. Number 2. Aquafaba. If you're into baking but cannot use eggs for your frosting, then this is the ingredient for you. Did you know that the water from a can of chickpeas can be used in place of egg white in a variety of recipes? Now you can make meringues, mousses, and a variety of baked goods like macaroons, sponges, and brownies using this ingredient. You may even use it to make vegan royal icing by combining it with icing sugar and lemon juice. Also, it may be used as a key ingredient in dairy-free batters and sauces, such as mayonnaise, among other foods. If you're into cocktails, you might find it beneficial. As it turns out, you can even enjoy a vegan whiskey sour. Number 3. Seitan. Seitan, also known as vital wheat gluten, is a product derived from wheat protein. While it's possible to purchase one off the shelf, you can also make it on your own. If you use spices, you can spice up a dry mix prepared with wheat gluten flour, then make a wet mix using substitute milk, tofu, and any condiment that you like. Combine these two into a dough and knead thoroughly. If you're in the mood for fast food, you may cook it in bits using seasoned batter to make your own version of vegan fried chicken. It may also be roasted, grilled, or baked for more nutritious options. Seitan is an excellent alternative for duck, beef, bacon, and sausage, and it can be used in a variety of dishes. It's most popular in Asian culture, where it has been widely used as a protein source for quite some time now. Number 4. Milk substitutes. Who doesn't like a good glass of milk in the morning, right? If you're going vegan, fear not. A wide variety of non-dairy milks are already available on the market, including oat, hazelnut, and cashew. You can also make your own milk by soaking raw nuts in water and then filtering the mixture. Alternative milks are not only excellent substitutes for dairy products in beverages, but they may also be utilized in a variety of culinary and baking preparations. Feel free to experiment with several varieties to see which ones work best for which recipes. For example, soy milk is a great substitute for buttermilk in baking recipes since it can be soured with acids such as apple cider vinegar and therefore used in lieu of buttermilk. Number 5. Alternative cheese. Of course, it's difficult to replicate the taste of real cheese, but substitute cheeses are continuously improving over time. Nowadays, most supermarkets offer their own lines in addition to a variety of other brands, so there's quite a few options to choose from. These substitute cheeses are created with a range of ingredients like coconuts, aquafaba, nuts, and solidified vegetable oil. If you have the chance, it's best to go for ones that are calcium and vitamin B12 enriched. There are also a variety of cheese alternatives available in the market today, ranging from mozzarella to cheddar to cream cheese. Recently, there has also been an increase in the number of artisan vegan cheese companies. The more choices, the better. Hello folks! We are already halfway through our video, and we hope you gain some valuable information from it. While we are here, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Back to the topic at hand. Number 6. Mushrooms. It's no secret that mushrooms are fascinating. They're neither a plant nor a vegetable. They're meaty but not meat. They come in a variety of sizes and forms, and yet they frequently hold an underappreciated presence in our kitchens and recipes. Mushrooms are the best option when you want something meaty with a strong, savory flavor. Mushrooms, particularly cremini or portobello mushrooms, have a taste that is deep, earthy, and meaty. They are nutritious and satisfying, and they may be used in lieu of meat in any dish. Sautéing mushrooms in vegan butter with herbs like thyme, black pepper, and balsamic vinegar is one of the best ways to eat mushrooms. You may also put them on a crispy bread to make a French dip sandwich, or serve them over polenta or mashed potatoes. Number 7. Tofu. The fact that tofu can be used in a wide variety of various foods and comes in many types makes it one of the most adaptable vegan replacements available on the market. Furthermore, it is the most widely available meat substitute since it can be purchased in all major supermarkets anywhere you are. It is abundant in protein, absorbs the flavors of your food, and is a good source of minerals and vitamins such as calcium, iron, and magnesium. For starters, it is available in 2 major varieties, firm and silky. Firm tofu is generally used in a majority of meals and is the kind most commonly seen in restaurants, ideally for stir-fries, curries, and salads. In contrast, silky tofu may be used for making vegan scrambled eggs, or it may also be incorporated into recipes to produce high-protein desserts and pasta sauces. Silken tofu is so flexible that it may even be used to simulate the flavor of ricotta cheese. You can do so much with tofu, truly making it the ideal vegan option for experimenting with new flavors and recipes. Number 8. Eggplants. Guinea squash, aubergine, eggplant. Although it's called different names in different parts of the world, one can easily recognize this violet vegetable anywhere. When it comes to veganism, eggplant is generally the first vegetable that springs to mind. Eggplant has a deep, meaty flavor and can be used quite flexibly in the kitchen. It can be used for much more than simply Parmigiana sauce. If you're not really a fan of this vegetable, why don't you try eggplant burgers and see if you change your mind? There are also other delectable ways to prepare eggplant, including vegan mozzarella stuffed eggplant meatballs, crunchy eggplant fries with marinara dipping sauce, and spiralized eggplant noodles, just to name a few. Number 9. Cauliflower. Yes, you heard that right. Cauliflower can actually be a great substitute for meat products. Right now, you may be wondering how. Well, with the proper seasoning and preparation, cauliflower can be the star of any dish. Chinese recipes such as cauliflower Manchurian or even buffalo wings, where you just substitute cauliflower for the chicken, are definitely must-tries. You can also try cauliflower piccata, a dish made by slicing the cauliflower into steaks and cooking them in a pan. Cauliflower may even be used as a pizza crust if you want. See? Cauliflower doesn't seem quite as boring now, does it? And lastly, number 10. Tempeh. Tempeh, tofu's soy-based cousin, is another adaptable meat alternative that may be used in a variety of dishes. While tofu frequently requires pressing to remove extra water, tempeh is considerably firmer and may be eaten directly from the packet. Even better, it can be used as a great substitute for bacon in some recipes. Simply marinate it in smoky flavors for a few hours before cutting it into thin strips and frying it until crisp. Tempeh also provides extra health advantages compared to tofu because it has been fermented. This indicates that it includes gut-friendly probiotic bacteria that can help to improve digestion, balance the gut flora, and strengthen the immune system, among other benefits. When you consider that only a few years ago, vegans were restricted to a few alternatives or a tiny area of odd items in supermarkets, it's remarkable to think about how far we've come. Growing vegan trends and the increasing number of individuals attempting the lifestyle are fueling the development of new and intriguing replacements. So it's worth looking into what's available to locate the finest goods for your particular needs. Once again, this is Vegan's Choice, leaving you with the message that, along with careful research and an awareness of what constitutes a nutritious, diversified vegan diet, you can ensure that your body receives all of the components it needs, and that our channel is here to assist you every step of the way. There is no need to say goodbye. We will see you next time.